Peacocks, with their iridescent plumage and elaborate courtship displays, are among the most captivating birds in the world. Native to the Indian subcontinent, these majestic creatures have long held a place of fascination in human cultures, symbolizing beauty, royalty, and spirituality. In this comprehensive article, we delve into the captivating world of peacocks, exploring their biology, behavior, cultural significance, and conservation status. Peacocks belong to the genus Pavo within the pheasant family, Phasianidae. Two distinct species are recognized: the Indian peafowl, Pavo cristatus, and the Javan peafowl, Pavo javanicus. Both species are characterized by their large size, with males typically larger than females. Indian peacocks can reach up to 2 meters in length, including their tails, while Javan peacocks are slightly smaller. The most striking feature of peacocks is undoubtedly their elaborate tails, known as trains. These trains are composed of long, modified upper tail coverts adorned with iridescent feathers that shimmer with shades of blue, green, and gold. The trains are not present at birth, but develop over the first 2 years of a peacock's life. They are used primarily for display during courtship, when males fan out their tails in an attempt to attract females. The peacock's body is well adapted for its arboreal lifestyle. Its strong legs and sharp claws allow it to climb trees with ease, while its long tail helps it to balance and maneuver through the forest canopy. Peacocks have excellent eyesight, which is essential for spotting predators and prey. Their hearing is also acute, allowing them to detect potential threats and communicate with other peacocks. The peacock's plumage is not only beautiful, but also functional. The iridescent feathers of the train are thought to play a role in mate attraction, as they reflect ultraviolet light, which is visible to peacocks, but not to humans. The feathers also help to protect the peacock's body from the elements. Peacocks are primarily forest-dwelling birds, inhabiting a variety of wooded habitats, including dry deciduous forests, evergreen forests, and scrublands. They are omnivorous feeders, consuming a diet of insects, small reptiles, fruits, and seeds. Peacocks are social birds, often living in groups of 10 to 20 individuals. These groups are typically composed of multiple females and their offspring, with a single dominant male. Peacocks have a complex social structure, with a clear hierarchy of dominance. The dominant male is responsible for defending the group's territory and attracting females. Females are typically subordinate to males, but they can be quite aggressive towards each other, especially during the breeding season. Peacocks communicate with each other using a variety of vocalizations, body postures, and visual displays. Their calls include loud, piercing squawks, as well as softer, more melodic whistles. Peacocks also use their tails to communicate, fanning them out in a display of dominance or courtship. Peacocks are renowned for their elaborate courtship displays, which are initiated by males. During the breeding season, males will erect their tails and strut around their chosen females, bobbing their heads and calling loudly. The iridescent feathers of the train catch the light, creating a mesmerizing spectacle that is intended to impress females. If a female is receptive, she will mate with the male. Peacocks are polygynous, meaning that males can mate with multiple females. After mating, females will construct nests on the ground, typically laying 4 to 6 eggs. Incubation lasts for about 25 days, and both parents share the responsibility of caring for the chicks. Peacocks are devoted parents, providing their chicks with food, protection, and guidance. Chicks are able to walk and feed themselves shortly after hatching, but they remain dependent on their parents for several weeks. Once they are fully grown, young peacocks will leave their parents' group and establish their own territories. Peacocks have long held a place of significance in human cultures around the world. In ancient Greece and Rome, they were associated with the goddess Hera, and their feathers were often used in religious ceremonies. In India, peacocks are considered sacred birds, symbolizing beauty, prosperity, and good luck. They are also a popular motif in Indian art and literature. In more recent times, peacocks have been featured in numerous works of art, literature, and film. They have also become a popular symbol of luxury and opulence, often appearing in fashion, jewelry, and home decor. In Greek mythology, the peacock was associated with the goddess Hera, the queen of the gods. According to one myth, Hera transformed the giant Argus Panoptes, who had 100 eyes, into a peacock after he was killed by her husband Zeus. The peacock's tail feathers were said to be adorned with Argus's eyes, symbolizing Hera's all-seeing nature. In India, peacocks are associated with the god Krishna, who is often depicted playing a flute while surrounded by peacocks. Peacocks are also considered to be the vehicles of the Hindu gods Indra and Kartikeya. In Buddhism, peacocks are seen as symbols of immortality and enlightenment. In Chinese culture, peacocks are associated with beauty, wealth, and good fortune. They are often depicted in art and literature, and their feathers are used in traditional ceremonies. Peacocks are also considered to be guardians of the afterlife, and their images are often found on tombstones. In Christianity, peacocks have been associated with both positive and negative symbolism. On the one hand, they are seen as symbols of resurrection and eternal life due to their association with the phoenix. On the other hand, they have also been associated with pride and vanity due to their elaborate plumage. Peacocks have been a popular subject of art and literature for centuries. They have been depicted in paintings, sculptures, tapestries, and other forms of art. Peacocks have also been featured in poems, novels, plays, and songs. Despite their widespread cultural significance, peacocks face a number of threats in their natural habitats. Habitat loss due to deforestation and agricultural expansion is a major concern, as is poaching for their feathers and meat. Additionally, peacocks are susceptible to a number of diseases, including Newcastle disease and avian malaria. As a result of these threats, both Indian peafowl and Javan peafowl are classified as near threatened by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these magnificent birds and their habitats, ensuring that their beauty and cultural significance can be enjoyed for generations to come. Peacocks are truly remarkable birds, with their mesmerizing plumage, elaborate courtship displays, and rich cultural significance. As we continue to learn more about these fascinating creatures, it is our responsibility to protect them and their habitats, ensuring that they continue to grace our world with their beauty and wonder for years to come.